I found out that actually they're going to be discontinuing this bag that I've wanted for so long and replacing it with a new version. Hi everyone, I'm Wunmi Williams, and today I'm going to be filming a luxury unboxing with you here on my channel. We're going to be having a look at two pieces that I bought, one from Balenciaga and the other from YSL. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then please stay tuned. Okay, so let's not even waste any time, you guys. Honestly, I'm going to give you a little backstory so you can understand my excitement. So I've lived a life of delayed gratification. I've really bided my time. I've worked very hard to get to where I am. And then I decided, since I graduated law school and I graduated pretty freaking well, it was time to treat myself to all of the things that I've been just delaying for a very long time. And so I ended up going to Bicester Village, and I also was looking around for a Balenciaga bag that I've been wanting since I was 15, 16 years old. And I managed to get my hands on these two amazing items for a great price. Like, let me tell you, let's just get to know each other a little bit. One thing about me is that I love a good discount. Whether I'm shopping high-end or I'm shopping high street, I love a good discount. And honey, a discount is what I got. So let's get into this. So I think I'm first gonna start off with what I picked up when I went to Bicester Village a few weeks ago. And Bicester Village is one of those things where it's very hit and miss. Outlet shopping in general is very hit and miss, but when you find a good deal, you kind of just have to go for it. So I actually went to Bicester Village looking for a Balenciaga bag, and I just wanted to try it on and then potentially buy it. But when I went, I didn't see the color and the hardware that I wanted, so I ended up popping into the YSL store just to see if they had anything that caught my eye, and girls, they definitely did. So here's the box. So as you can tell, I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Okay, again, a little bit of backstory. The retail price for these heeled shoes was £700. Let me know in the comments below how much you think that I got it for. I don't think you're gonna believe it. I really don't. Aren't they so freaking beautiful? Oh my goodness. And it is this beautiful snake detailed leather. Amazing, with this amazingly fine stiletto that is quite high, and then it has this lace up detailing on the ankle. Also, they retail for $700 and they were on sale for $250, but then there was an additional discount on top, so I managed to get them for £147. The discount was just so good that I just could not pass it up. I kept on going back and forth, like, should I get them, should I not? But honestly, I've tried them on. They look amazing. You cannot tell that they're actually a size too big for me. The only thing I will say about these beautiful shoes right here is that I have very tiny ankles, and I'm gonna need to go and get the strap adjusted to be able to fit my very slim ankles. But I will say I'm not gonna take that as a bad thing. I have great feet for beautiful shoes. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Just so beautiful, and they're just very much my aesthetic. Minimalist with just something special in terms of the snake detailing. And then also I love a good heeled stiletto sandal. Like my whole entire collection of heels is pretty much this silhouette. It gives you a nice length to your legs. It's very sophisticated, very classic, very classy. You can wear them whenever and wherever. Of course, with an expensive shoe like this, you don't want to be walking around London, right?
Oh, the ghetto!
Right, so this is what I would wear to dinner, where I'm going to be getting a cab from my house to the venue, walk maybe 10 steps to my seat, and then back to the cab and back home. These are not party shoes by any stretch of the imagination. These are a work of minimalist classic art, and I'm just in love, and I'm so happy that I got them for such a great discount. because as we get to know each other on this channel, my life's mantra has always been to cut your coat according to your cloth. If you're Nigerian, you know what that means, okay? I love to live luxuriously, but you know, you also want to be as smart as you possibly can. And so for me, when it comes to buying designer goods, I always want to try and at least get a decent deal on them. So that's what I picked up from YSL. Super happy with that purchase. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What I'm about to show you next is super exciting. This is a bag that I've wanted for the longest time. I've literally wanted this bag since I was 15 or 16, and you know, now that I've achieved everything that I wanted to achieve in this particular stage of my life, i.e. I'm finally going to be a corporate lawyer, I decided to just purchase it. But again, I like a good discount, so the retail value of this bag is between 1,300 and 1,500. Guess how much I got it for? Write it in the comments below. So let's open her up. Ooh. Here she is. Oh my goodness. Isn't she just a doll? Oh my gosh, she's so freaking cute. Like I said, I'm actually using her right now, so I just put her back for the purposes of this video. But here she is. She is in this beautiful creased lambskin leather that Balenciaga is known for, and then she has this amazing braided detailing on the handles of the bag, and then I got her in the silver hardware. So this is the Balenciaga City Mini Classic, and she's just amazing. And she also comes with a strap. Just a really amazing purchase, like really just amazing. A great way to end the pandemic, okay? Because I got her just as things were opening up. So this is her. She's amazing. She came with the dust bag and the original boxing and authentication and all of that good stuff. Amazing, amazing. So like I said, she retails for between 1,300 and 1,600 depending on where you got her, but they're discontinuing her and they're replacing her with the neoclassic city bag, which is not my style at all. I think it's a great starter designer bag. That's number one, because she's very carefree. You don't have to worry about scratching her. The leather is soft but quite durable at the same time, and the shape of the bag is just very, you know, slouchy and just easy. And actually the sizing of this bag is great. This is in the mini size, but she fits quite a lot in her. Okay, and she comes in this charcoal grey colour, but you can get her in different colours and different hardwares. I bought her on Vestiaire Collective, which is a resale site here in the UK, and I did find a black City Mini Classic with gold hardware in the older hardware though, but somebody else bought that. So I was waiting, I was looking around, I was looking between Vestiaire Collective and the Balenciaga store in Vista Village, and I saw this and it was retailing for £680 on Balenciaga Collective, which is half the price that it retails for at the store. And I messaged the seller that I was willing to pay £600, and then she came back with £650, and I was like, deal. Honestly, it's just too good of a deal to pass up. It came with the authentication cards, it came with the box, it came with the dust bag, and then I also got an additional £30 off because I was a first time user on Vestiaire Collective. So I ended up actually getting her for £620, which is just completely insane for this just classic bag. Even though I didn't get her in black, I have been able to wear this quite a bit because she's still in a very neutral color, and she just kind of adds like just edge to any outfit that you're wearing. I'm completely obsessed with this bag. Oh, she's just so stunning, and I just can't believe that I got her for such a great price, and she had never been worn before either. So this is basically half the price for brand new. I've already received so many compliments on her. Great to style with an all black outfit or an all white outfit and silver jewelry, which is unique for me because I typically wear gold because it complements my skin tone. But you know, I've had a lot of joy wearing this bag for the last few weeks, and I'm super excited. So you guys, that is pretty much it for my luxury haul, and I hope you learned something about how and where to shop for a discount. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for what direction I decide to take this channel in. I'm exploring a lot of different, you know, avenues and things that I want to do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.